Hi, my name is Leher Bhatnagar Singh. I'm the author of 100 Ways to Be a Stress-Free Mom and Raise Happy Kids, which was published by Hay House in 2018. I'm a neuroscience expert and a parenting pathfinder, which means I help the young millennial parents discover scientific yet simple ways to raise their kids to their full potential. I offer customized parenting planners, and I also do workshops with parents, preschools, corporates to understand what scientific parenting is all about and how it can help us. My inspiration to write has been my dad in my early years, who was a very voracious reader, and he read on every topic. And lately, it has been my husband, who always loved what I wrote, the letters I wrote him. And from very early days, he used to tell me that you will end up as an author. And also, a lot of it has to do with my training in science, because I was quite good at scientific writing, and I had various papers published in various scientific journals. So my journey with writing has been a lot of science plus a lot of practical angles to it. So also my education, training, and the support from my family, especially my husband, has been really what inspired me to finally take up authorship as a career. Since most of my books are on child development, early parenting, there are a lot of scientific research which goes into the preparation for each book. So my books take time to write because I do a lot of research online. I talk to scientists and laboratories and also to parents, so that my books offer scientific yet practical solutions. So actually, yes, the preparation of my books takes months because every topic is thoroughly researched, and so the preparation, I would say, is very intensive for any of my book, and it takes a lot of hard work and time. My experience with publishing was a very typical experience, which ended up very well. I wrote my book and I sent it out to about 20 leading publishing houses, and I got rejected from 19 of them. But in the end, it got taken up by Hay House, whose marketing is done by Penguin. So I was in very good hands at the end, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I realized how important editing and the picture cover, the cover picture is, and it really boosted my book to another level. And now for my second book, because my first publisher was a name in the market, my second book, actually I have been hired by a literary agency called Red Ink, which is one of the leading names in the business, and now they are really doing very well in hand holding the way the entire book is not only written but presented, and they're really helping me in every way. So my experience till now has been really good. By being a best-selling author, the feeling is obviously very great and it feels nice. However, it also is some pressure because you have to surpass your own benchmarks. So it's kind of with every book your benchmark is elevated. So I think it is very exciting to know that you have contributed to society by people who have read your book. They are seeing the difference in their parenting, and they see the change it has made in their life, the positive changes. So when I get feedbacks and the kind of reviews, it's very reassuring that I'm part of this social movement where people are taking parenting seriously and they want to raise the best kids that they can, and yet do it simply and in a very stress-free and scientific manner. So I think the reviews really encourage me, and it makes me put even better research in every book. Jashan events and SEMA hold a very special place in my life and my career, because when I was a newbie and nobody knew my name, Seema put her money on me, and she encouraged me and helped me get some good events. Her networking is amazing. Her events are at par, if not better, than most of the literature festivals I've gone to. And she is the only, I think, genuine book marketeer I have seen. And it really encouraged me to see that such people are still there who take their job as a passion and a personal calling. So Seema and Jashan events have really been a very special part of my life and my career, and I hope they will continue to be.